This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Fidelity ATM machine. First, locate the card slot, usually illuminated, and insert your Fidelity ATM card. Make sure the chip on your card is facing up or towards the machine. The ATM will then securely read your card's data, preparing for your transaction. This initial step is crucial for accessing your account quickly and safely. After your card is read, the ATM will prompt you to enter your 4-digit personal identification number, or PIN. Use the keypad provided, ensuring no one can see your entry. Once your PIN is accepted, a menu will appear. Here, you can choose from common actions like withdrawing cash, making a deposit, or checking your account balance. Select the option that best suits your needs. If you're withdrawing cash, select the withdrawal option. The machine will then ask you to input the specific amount you need. You can often choose from preset amounts or enter a custom figure. Double-check the amount on the screen before confirming. Once confirmed, the ATM will dispense your cash, usually in $20 bills, along with a printed receipt for your records. Remember to take both. Once your transaction is complete, it's vital to remember to take your Fidelity ATM card. Many machines will prompt you to remove it, sometimes with a flashing light. Always review your receipt to ensure all details are correct and keep it for your records. If there's an end transaction or cancel button, pressing it ensures your session is fully closed, protecting your account information. Your security is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.